We encounter various titles, positions, and ranks in many social and professional circles that earn respect. But what if those with the power are not acting in a manner deserving of such regard? Does age or position warrant respect? Not necessarily. It is about how someone carries themselves, their attitude, and their actions. Respect is about granting thoughtful consideration to another person's thoughts, feelings, ideas, and needs. Moreover, we all hope to receive respect from others, but we must learn to acquire it ourselves to be successful and content. Let's get started. Number 1. Honor what you say. Having integrity is key to becoming a respected person. Always be honest in your dealings and be sure to keep your word. If you didn't mean something, don't say it. If you are unable to deliver on a promise, own up to it immediately and find ways to make amends. Doing these things will help you gain respect from others. Number 2. Don't waste other people's time. Respecting other people's time will mean respecting yours as well. Being punctual for appointments, not spending time talking about useless things, getting to the point quickly, bringing up issues right away, being concise, and of course making it easier for others to make decisions, especially if they are busier than you, is part of this. Number 3. Don't badmouth others. Speaking negatively about people, in either a professional or personal context, is never okay. Doing so will not get you any respect. It's best to address disagreements directly with the other person involved rather than talking behind their back. This can lead to gossip and negative feelings as well as how the other person perceives you. Therefore, honest communication when engaging with others should be your priority. Treat them like they're in the same room listening to you. Number 4. Stop apologizing for no reason. You cannot continually say "I'm sorry" without giving it a second thought. There is a time and place for apologies. Sometimes you make a mistake that affects other people, so you apologize to them. Number 5. Stand up for what you believe in. Ever encountered someone who just can't help but nod their head in agreement to whatever you say? It's rather pointless, as it doesn't show any real engagement with what you share. Respect is often given to those who offer a polite rebuttal and stay true to their values. Having an opinion of your own is important, however, be sure you express it in a respectful way. Number 6. Stop being too nice. Differentiate between kindness and feeling obligated to do things for someone. Being too accommodating won't win you any respect and can cause people to doubt your sincerity. Speak up if you are uncomfortable with something or don't agree. Do so in a way that is considerate. Doing so will be appreciated and show people that you have integrity even when standing up to opposing beliefs. Number 7. Speak up when mistreated. Don't take it lying down when someone mistreats you or takes advantage of you. Be professional and diplomatic, but don't keep quiet. Speaking up for yourself is not always easy, which is why it is a mark of honor. Number 8. Stand up for someone else. If you observe injustice around you, do you ignore it in order not to provoke confrontation? Sometimes you have no choice, but sometimes you have to stand up for others, especially when they are unable to. As long as you do it diplomatically, don't be afraid to confront people once in a while. Number 9. Be yourself. Being an original version of yourself is better than being an exact duplicate of someone else. People respect people who are original. Too many people try too hard to be someone else they are not, and in the end they don't have a sense of identity. Discover who you are and who you stand for. We need more people that are true to themselves, not clones. Number 10. Anticipate the needs of others. Make other people's lives easier by doing things for them without being asked. This shows that you're a considerate person and makes others view you in a more positive light. Make dinner for your partner if you know he or she has a horrible day at work. Make someone's day easier by taking some initiative. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button And remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our order videos as well. Thanks for watching.